All right, what's up, everybody? Another day, another property tour. If you guys are just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Chuck Crusoe with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor. Now, also, for you longtime subscribers, we have a second channel now, which is Chuck Crusoe 2.0. So go ahead and check that out. Don't forget to sub to that channel or subscribe to that channel, like, and also hit that notification button. Basically, that new channel is more vlog style, behind the scenes. If you are into real estate, financing, everything real estate related, lifestyle of Las Vegas. So today I'm here in the southwest of the Las Vegas Valley, way southwest. I'm gonna say the last community. So today we are here at the Dorham West by KB Homes. So this is actually a brand new community. So we talked about this first come, first serve, as far as you want to be one of the first to get in. Okay. So this model right here that we're going to be touring is the 1768 model. Okay. All right. So let's go inside. Nice and cool here. So right off to the right, we have the two-car garage. We have the stairs. As you can see, we have a nice open floor plan. Now, we have a total of 5 different models in this community, from the 1455 all the way up to the 2469 square feet. What's great about this community, they literally just opened last week. They have a total of 167 lots. 12 have already sold. Good news is that there's no SIDS or lids. Okay, so let's take a look at this. So we have the 18 by 18 porcelain tile. So this is one of the options. And I believe this is standard, but you only get this in the wet areas. But this is actually a very nice tile here. And it's worth it just to tile this whole thing. You got your half-inch quartz, orange peel texture here. So some of this stuff is going to be standard here. So basically, if you don't get the undermounted sink, this is the sink and faucet that you will get. And here's your maple cabinets. Okay. And you get your Kenmore appliances minus the refrigerator. And you got your cabinets here, your maple cabinets. Look at that. 32-inch cabinets. Got an 8-foot slide that takes you out to the back. Not bad for the backyard size. Probably roughly about 4,000 square feet. Average lot here is about 40 by 100. As you can see, they added a extra box here to run the satellite, which is pretty smart versus doing it from the ground. I love how they put a control joint here now. I don't know if that's new, which is, I think that's a great idea. So that way you don't get a bunch of cracks in your stucco. Okay. Your eaves are 1 foot on here. Fascia boards are just standard. The fascia boards are actually a press wood, which means it's pressure treated. So we got a bathroom back here. So all this is pretty much standard. What you'll get. 6-panel door. So in this model, it doesn't really have that many upgrades. There are just a lot of standards besides just the door. I'm sorry, the flooring right now. Okay. HOAs are not bad. Oh, we didn't get a chance to look here in the pantry. Get the chicken wire shelves. Alright, let's go upstairs. So we got carpet. You have the standard carpet here. I'll show you what the carpet looks like. But you have like 3 different colors to choose from. So, pretty much KB's has all the same models. The only thing that's different is the interior design and some option features. This one we have a 3-bedroom upstairs and a mini loft. Oh, pricing starts off at $379,990. So as you can see on this one, they didn't add the 4-can lighting. Oh, I'm out of breath. Let's see what we got the bathroom here. So in the bathroom, you got the 18 by 18 porcelain tile, standard cabinets. Now you do have an option to do a double sink, which I would highly recommend it. Tub shower combo, all standard. Fixtures all standard in here too as well. Moen products. Great starter home. The only incentives that they're giving out right now is the transfer tax and also owner title policy. So that's about like $3,500. So this one doesn't really have new upgrades, but as far as the price, you're at $3-something, $380. Let's take a look at the laundry room. Again, you got the 18 by 18 porcelain tile. They ran it diamond cut. Remember, on the diamond cut, it's going to cost you a little bit more money here. Okay. So what I like about KB's is that you have the drain line here. You have the soft water. And also, if you can see right through here, what you're going to see is that you have the primary line for the AC unit. Normally, they'll have the primary and the secondary run directly outside. This one, you got your attic access. You got your 36-inch smart panel box here. Now, KB does have a lot of options when it comes to low and high voltage. Also, this is the Landing series. Okay. This room's not that bad of a size. Now, if you guys could come on out here, let the salesperson know that you have a realtor, and hopefully it's me, right? But we always talked about this. Early bird gets the worm. What I mean by that is that you always want to be one of the first people to be building in the first phase. That's right. Okay, let's see here. Nice. Not bad. I'm almost enticed just to buy something and to hold on to it. Right? And just sell it. But man, that's just a lot of capital to be tied up. We didn't get a chance to look at this. Cool. Well, guys, let me know what your thoughts are about this property. If you can definitely see yourself living here. Also, if you guys come out here, why don't you guys touch base with Catherine? Or Kathleen, I'm sorry. And let her know that you're coming out here because you've seen Chuck's video. Also, one more thing. We have 8-foot ceilings. You do have an option to raise it to 9 on this one. But this is not that bad, actually. Forgot to mention the Traverse LED lights. I just don't like how these Traverse LED lights is not flush with the ceiling. Well, anyway, let me know what your thoughts are about this property. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to visit our second channel too as well. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chuckets Crusoe with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chuckets Crusoe 2.0. Check it out.